every spring for the past 6 years, millions of people have tuned into around-the-clock live stream of the elk on the move in the northern Sweden. The Great Moose Migration tracks the animal as they swim across the Agrumman River and make their annual journey towards the greener summer pastures. This year, 24-hour program from the SVT played the streamline of the platform that the Sweden's national broadcaster began on Tuesday, a week ahead of the schedule because of the warmer weather conditions this April. Also, the broadcast has become a slow TV phenomena, cultivating a loyal fan base since its inception in the 2019. Kate, who is 60, was also being hooked to the annual live stream since she stumbled upon it during the COVID-19 pandemic, said her TV that it had been 16 straight hours since it began on Tuesday. It's unbelievably relaxing, she said. There's a natural sound of these birds, the wind, the trees. It gives you a sense of that you're in the nature even if you're not. Also for Kate, watching the migration has become a yearly tradition, so much so that the book's time that she goes through is very fully relaxing and she immerses herself in the 3-week broadcast. She also said that the stream was like therapy, also which has helped her cover the anxiety and the panic attacks. And she's not alone. SVT live stream had a wider audience, including the Facebook group boasting more than 77,000 members who became and come together to share their memorable moments, emotional reactions to the broadcast, and their shared fascination of the migration. A major part of the journey captured by the SVT is through the village of the Kullberg in the northern Sweden next to the Angerman River. Also, the animals that are known as moose in the North America and the elk that is in the Europe. Also, Goran Eriksson, the Dean of the Faculty of the Forest Sciences at the Swedish University of Agricultural Sciences and Science Advisor for the broadcast, said that the elk migrate back to the summer ranges after aggregating in spots with a better temperature in the winters. Historically, this migration has been going on since the Ice Age, he said. During spring and summer, moose are more evenly spread out in the landscape.